Hey everybody, good morning, Rob Moffitt. Guys, I want to do a video review of the Aviary Eye mini body camera I bought just the other day. It was Black Friday and I got it for $23. I wanted this primarily to use when I'm walking around outside on my bike, or more importantly, when I'm riding on the bus here in Broward County. This camera does come with night vision, which I have not tested, and it also has a motion uh, feature where it will activate with motion that has not been tested. This is primarily to show you what the camera looks like, or the recording looks like when you use it riding public transportation or riding around on your bike.
Good morning. 1402. It's in a plastic thing. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Thank you, ma'am. I'm going to get my bike. Pardon. Take care. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna get my bike. Pardon me, man.
Okay, guys, tell me in the comments what you think of the body cam. I spent $23 and I think it was worth $23. However, the negatives are it has a medium quality sound. It's quite degraded in some instances, and the video itself, since it has no stabilization, is almost unusable if you're walking a lot. The video resolution, it says 1080p. I'm not quite sure about that. Also, if you have any shade and if something is dark, you're out of luck. You're just not going to pick it up very well. If you have the right settings, the right amount of sun and light, and not any movement, you can get some you can get some acceptable video for your purposes of identifying a person or situation. Um, it's very easy to clip onto your pocket. It doesn't come off. That's not something that's going to fall off easily. It's not too noticeable, um, especially from the front. From the side, it sticks out from your pocket, so it's a lot easier to see. It's something that I I think it's I think occasionally you're going to be disappointed. You're going to want to get something on video, and because it was dark or shady, you're just going to be very disappointed in this camera, and maybe you or wish you had spent more money. If if you're if you need this for extremely serious situations and you have the money, you definitely want to spend that money. But if you're if you're on a really tight budget, I think this is probably one of the best or one of the better uh, inexpensive body cams I've run across in a while. Most of them in the past, the video was very muddy, and even in optimum situations. So it's it's got like maybe a C for the audio and for the video with proper lighting and no movement, I'd give it a B minus. Uh, I'd give it a C. But compared to some of the others I've seen out there, it's better. So you saw the video yourself. You can make up your own mind. Um, but I'll be using it again, and I'll test out uh, the night vision. Supposedly, it's good if you can get within like 6 to 8 feet, and also the motion sensor. That should be interesting. Hope this was helpful to you guys. Check out my channel. Been doing it for 18 years, variety channel. You never know what you're going to find. And I just enjoy making videos, and I hope you guys enjoy watching them. Take care. See you out there.